Alright folks, this is Kieno Thomas. Welcome to Kieno Training Systems. Today we are going to have a system failure in instrument meteorological conditions. Now I don't know what system is going to fail, but something is going to fail.
November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra, IFR, Trenton, ready to copy. November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra, clear to Trenton Airport is filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 4,000. Departure frequency is 120.25, squawk 5324. Money, November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra, clear to Trenton Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 4,000. Departure on 120.25, squawk 5324. Mooney 3, Mike Sierra, readback is correct. Contact ground on 121.8 when ready to taxi.
Good to go.
Required ground, Mooney, November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra, ready to taxi IFR. Mooney, November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra, taxi to the whole short of runway 36, taxiway runway 18. Contact tower on 118.65 when ready. Taxiing full short runway 36, using taxiway runway 18. Mooney, 3, Mike Sierra. Required tower, Mooney, November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra, ready to go. Runway 36, IFR to Trenton. Mooney, November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra, cleared for takeoff, runway 36. Cleared for takeoff, runway 36. Mooney, November 1, 2, 3, Mike Sierra.
Okay, we've been cleared for takeoff. I've set up something to fail, and let's see if it does. If it's the electrical system, we probably have enough battery to make it to Trenton Mercer Airport. If it's the vacuum system, we do have a standby vacuum system ready to go. Okay, so we're on our climb out as issued by the tower controller to runway heading to 4,000 feet. At some point he's going to hand us off to the McGuire Air Force Base's departure control 120.25, and we'll check in with them and let them know what altitude we're passing through and what altitude we are going to, which is 4,000. So right now we would say we're 700 feet for 4,000.
Contact McGuire, departure on 120.25.
120.25, 3 Mike Sierra.
Going to 120.25, Mooney, 3 Mike Sierra.
McGuire approach, Mooney, 3 Mike Sierra with you, 2,000 for 4,000.
Required departure, Mooney, November 1, 2, 3 Mike Sierra is at 900, climbing 4,000. Mooney, November 1, 2, 3 Mike Sierra, required departure, roger, altimeter 2, Mooney, 3 Mike Sierra, turn left heading 345, resume home navigation, climb and maintain 4,000. Mooney, 3 Mike Sierra, you are 16 miles southeast, turn left heading 250, climb and maintain 4,000, expect vectors ILS, runway 6, approach.
Left turn 250, climb and maintain 4,000, expect ILS 6 in the Tango November.
Turn left heading 250, climb and maintain 4,000, expect vectors ILS, runway 6, approach. Mooney, 3 Mike Sierra.
Okay, we're turning to 250, rolling out, continuing our climb to 4,000. We are currently 1,700, climbing 4,000 feet. Full power. Engine instruments are in the green. That's just the outside air temperature. It's not an engine instrument. Fuel's good. Fuel boost pump is on. We have a happy airplane. Should be getting unhappy at some point. We hope. well, in simulator world, we don't want, we never ever want if a vacuum failure or electrical, any type of failure in flight. But this is why we train. Bo, 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 bo. Okay, we are topside now. $1,200 feet to go. Right turn, 280, 3 Mike Sierra.
Turn right heading 280, 983 Mike Sierra. Required approach small, November 16120 with you. Small, November 16120, required approach, roger, altimeter 2992.
Alright, we're putting an outbound radial, setting up an outbound radial for Yardley VOR. Also, another thing that we should do is identify the Morse code, verify that. Okay, that one's good. And let's listen to the ILS frequency. And that one is good. Cruise. Power set, closing the cowl flaps. Right 330, 3 Mike Sierra.
Turn right heading 330, 983 Mike Sierra. 93 Mike Sierra. Contact Philadelphia approach on 123.8.
Contact Philadelphia approach 123.8, 3 Mike Sierra.
123.8, 983 Mike Sierra. Philadelphia approach, 90 November 123 Mike Sierra, with you. 90 November 123 Mike Sierra, Philadelphia approach, roger,
Sierra, 23 Mike Sierra. Down to 1.9, 3 Mike Sierra.
Descend and maintain 1,900. Mooney, 3 Mike Sierra.
Notice how I have a shorter way of saying it. The controller will understand it either way. Descend and maintain 1,900. I would say descending to 1.9, 3 Mike Sierra. Just short and simple, especially like in Philly. This frequency chatter is not really typical of what you would hear. It goes really fast in Philadelphia, New York, Boston. When you get near the Class Bravo airspaces, pilots talk very fast, and you know you got to acknowledge that you've received the instruction, but you spit it out. I'd say down to 1.9, 3 Mike Sierra. Done. Descend and maintain 1,900. It's a bit much for a congested radio frequency. And I still don't have my turn right heading 030, descend and maintain 1,900. Clear for the ILS 6 approach. Maintain 1900 till established. Contact tower 120.7. 3 Mike Sierra.
Right heading 030, descend and maintain 1,900. Clear ILS, runway 6, approach, maintain 1,900 until established. Tower on 120.7. Mooney, 3 Mike Sierra.
Okay, we still don't have our vacuum system failure, so I am going to induce one. It's like, man, I'm tired of playing with you. Failures. Attitude indicator. I did it. Okay, we'll fill it in 4 to 5 minutes. Now things should get interesting.
Small 120, York 15 miles northeast, turn left heading 275, descend and maintain 2,000, clear ILS, runway 24, approach, maintain 2,000 until established on the local.
Okay, we're indicating a left turn and
turn left heading 275, descend and maintain 2,000, clear ILS,
I'll back up. Now this is saying we're turning left. Heading indicator's going to crap too. Good. Alright, so we're level 050. Alright, we're going to do a 3-second standard rate turn. (1001), 1002, 1003. I'm not sure if the attitude indicator is still reliable. Okay, looks like 060. I'm slightly right of course. 1001, 1002, 1003. Still maintaining 1.9. Looks like I'm correcting. I'm gonna drop the gear. We gotta get this bird down. At the same time, Philadelphia approach, November 3 Mike Sierra, or Mooney 3 Mike Sierra. We're experiencing a vacuum failure. I'm flying partial panel. I am not declaring an emergency. 1.9. We are established. And I am again, we don't know. The ILS should be fine. The directional gyro is a part of the vacuum system, so that could be an issue. Alright, we're slightly left of course. 1001, 1002, 1003, rolling wings level. Okay. Flaps 1. Just checking gear down real quick. Gear is down. Flaps at 1. First notch of flaps. That's all that means. Okay, back on localizer. Right turn. 1001, 1002, 1003. Rolling wings level. Alright, come on, Kieno. Glide slope is coming down. Rolling. Looks like we're drifting. 1001, 1002, 1003. Rolling wings level. Okay, on glide slope. We have the glide slope. Attitude indicator is erroneous. We're not sure, but we have our compass. We have station passage on VOR2 060, thereabouts. Start our descent. Slightly right of course. 2, 3, 1001, 1002, 1003, rolling wings level in the descent. And we keep our scan, but we can't feed into that attitude indicator. That attitude indicator is lying to us right now. She's not faithful. One 1001, 1002, 1003, rolling wings level. Above glide slope. One 1001, 1002, 1003, rolling wings level. 1,000 feet to minimums. Slightly above glide slope. Slightly above glide slope, gear down and stabilized. .500 foot to minimums. On glide slope, on localizer. .300 feet to minimums. Slightly below glide slope, correcting, on localizer. On localizer, slightly below glide path, correcting. Coming up on 100 feet to minimums. Out in the clear, visual. I have the runway in sight. Final flaps. Got the runway made. That's the inner marker. Now, to avoid all that, I could have just turned on the standby vacuum pump, but all airplanes are not equipped with a standby vacuum pump. So, you know, this is what you're going to have to do. I'm going to do another video on time turns, but it's funny, I couldn't get the system to fail. I had to make it fail. But yeah, that's not too bad. You know what? As long as you practice, you'll be fine. But you know, that was partial panel, and the directional gyro seemed to be reliable. But we cannot. You can't rely on it. It's part of the vacuum system. Now, you could have an isolated instrument where the instrument, you know, just one instrument goes bad. But this guy's got to be suspect when the vacuum system is having some type of issue, and these two are driven by the same system. So what we had to do is we had to use the magnetic compass, and we had to do time turns. I was doing about roughly, we'll round it out to 10, but I was doing 9-degree corrections. And so when I started drifting off the localizer, like this is slightly, the plane is slightly to the left of the localizer, I rolled, did a standard rate turn 3 seconds. So you hear me calling out 1001, 1002, 1003, wings level, which means I'm making a correction, I'm leveling the wings, and I'm seeing what the localizer is doing. If my aircraft drifts to the right of the course, then I correct right. Another thing you need to understand is that the plane actually moves around the compass, so when you turn right, when you turn right, this thing's actually going to be moving left from the left. So that was a partial panel. It was kind of boring at first, but I made it exciting. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I'll have more partial panel videos coming up for all my instrument pilot applicants. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. This is Kieno Thomas with Kieno Training Systems. Please like and subscribe.